This supplement is designed to support daily energy and vitality with a clean plant-based formula. It includes botanicals like citrulline, ashwagandha, and maca, which are known for helping with stamina, focus, and overall wellness. The Adaptonic blend is crafted for modern men with ingredients traditionally used to help the body manage exertional stress and maintain balance. Maca and other plant extracts have a long history of promoting endurance and vitality. Each ingredient is carefully selected based on traditional use and modern research, creating a formula that support everyday wellness without hormones or stimulants. It's vegan, caffeine-free, and made without gluten, fillers, or artificial additives. This party tested for quality and formulated in the US. A simple transport way to support daily performance and balance.